Guys, we're here in the fish market, waterfront. Ayan, galing kami ng Sarja. Try kami dito ng isda. 24 hours naman to kasi ang isdaan dito. So, good morning everyone. Yan, nasa parking area kami, okay? Bibili ng isda, guys. My friend, good morning! Kami, guys.
A few moments later.
Guys, good morning! We are here in the fish market, guys. Ayan, my friend. Naghahanap ng isda. My friend!
Ano pang ulap?
Where are you?
Huh?
Where are you?
Oman.
Oh my God. Ayan ang fish market. Guys, ayan. Malalaki na mga isda. Ayan ang talaba. Oh, mura lang to sa amin. Yung talaba na yan. Tahong yan. May sugpo. May pusit. Dito kami ngayon sa fish market. And sa my friend. Naghahanap ng isda. Papaksiw daw kami tsaka magpiprito. Early in the morning, we're from Sarja. Bibili kami ng isda dito sa waterfront, guys.
Benigin saksi. Oh.
Kalimasag. Hi, Kuya. We're looking for the small fish. The very small fish, guys. We're looking for para gagawing paksiw. Ayan, waterfront. Daming isda. Hi, everyone. Good morning. We are here in the waterfront. Happy Monday. So early in the morning. Maybe around 7 o'clock in the morning now. Okay, stay tuned. God bless. Guys, kakahanap kami ng salmonite. Ayan, pangpaksiw. Salmonite here in the waterfront. Hi, everyone. Hi, si Kuya. Diba? Ito naman ang tamban. Ito naman pang ilaw. Guys, we're living na here in the waterfront. Ayan, may nabili kami isda. Pangpaksiw. At saka pang prito. Si lemon fish. Paborito yung talaga yan. Ako naman, si salmonete. Ayan, walang katatao. Okay, bye fish market. We're going home na. Si Outlander.